How to find saved for later items on Amazon. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find saved for later items on Amazon. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Amazon app or open up any web browser and head over to amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to save any items for later, then all you want to do is find the item. After that, scroll down a bit. Here you will find a heart icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on it, this item will be successfully added to your saved for later item. Now, if you want to view it later on, all you want to do is tap on this cart icon. Here you will find all the items that you have added to your cart. Scroll down and down below you have the saved for later option. Here you will find all the items that you have saved for later, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.